Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here. So Garnier Fructis was so sweet to send me some PR. I know summer is over, but that doesn't mean traveling has to be. So we have the summer 2025 TSA approved Garnier Fructis curl travel kit. So when you open it up, you get the little PR thing. So this is ready for your summer essentials. Don't forget your Garnier travel essentials. These are TSA approved minis, and it has a whole bunch of fun stuff right there. So we have all of these things that fit into our little kit that they sent over. So let's just go ahead and put them in. Starting with the soothing shampoo. This is an oldie but a goodie. Super good just if you need to shampoo your curls on the go. I used to use a conditioner for this, so excited to use this. I would also use this on my wigs to clean my hair, and this smells so good. Literally same smell. So if you love the full size of this, you will love, of course, the travel size. And this is 3 fluid ounces. Next, of course, to go with the shampoo, we have the conditioner. And it seems like the same thing. It has a little bit more of a control. Not really, it's just upside down. And it just pops off and pops back on. And next we have some color retouch. So if you guys are looking to just do a quick color retouch of your hair, this is in the color brown. I don't usually dye my hair brown, but my mom does, so I think I'm gonna give this to her to try out. But we'll drop that in here. Next we have a super favorite of mine. This is their micellar cleansing water. This is such a good makeup remover. Makeup remover and everything, so I'm so happy to have this as a re-up for just everything. Something else to go with micellar cleansing water is the micellar cleansing pads. So these are just so perfect to go with the cleansing water, and it looks like you can wash them too, which is cool. And then last but not least, something I'm super excited to try is their Sleek and Stay Heat Activated Serum, which it is a leave-in serum you use after you use the shampoo and conditioner, and you distribute evenly to damp hair. And you're not supposed to rinse. You can blow dry your hair. I will most likely be using this in one of my next blow dry routines, so super excited for this. And of course it fits so perfectly into the travel case. Okay, so I will leave links for everything below so you guys can shop what was mentioned in the video. If you guys just need a quick couple of things for your next trip, I highly recommend Garnier. It smells super good, and it's just like one of those tried but true brands that really gets the job done for a really great price. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you Garnier for sending me this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.